Stand by for your Alaska Aviation Link, where we're going to hear all about WOW, the Wasilla Air Show, this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where you can win this. In this edition of Aviation Link, we're going to hear from Mike Koskovich about the Wings Over Wasilla Air Show coming up this weekend.
We're putting this air show together and have been working on it since about the first of the year. We have some static display, antique and classic type airplanes that are going to show up. We're going to have several different types of competition. The normal short takeoff and landing type competition. And then we have what we call STOL Squared, which is a little bit different twist on it. A generous local business person has provided a $500 cash prize for the winner of that competition. You need to have competed in STOL competition before in order to do this. There's lots of different food vendors, beer and wine available here on the airfield. We have our raffle ATV here provided to us generously by Hatcher Pass Polaris. And the idea is to raffle the ATV in an effort to raise funds to pay for airshow expenses, and then hopefully have a little money left over for seed money for next year. Between the airfield here and the Menard Sports Complex, there's going to be quite a bit of activity. We encourage people to park at the Menard, and we will have shuttle bus service from the Menard to the airport and back. Friday evening, all day Saturday, and all day Sunday. It should be a really family-friendly Father's Day weekend outing, free to the public. We expect people to fly in Friday evening. We have a designated area for those who wish to camp with their airplanes. We have about half of the airport designated to airshow related events, and then the other half will be operations normal. We're going to have the local skydiving group doing some skydiving demos for us here. Commemorative Air Force showing up with some vintage Warbird type airplanes. There will be rides available. We do have discrete frequencies that we'll be using. The normal CTAF will be in effect, no change there. Then we do have the ground control frequency, which will be published via NOTAM during the event and broadcasted on 22.8. We have the tower on top of the Airforms building there, where we're going to have a couple fellows with radios and binoculars kind of overlooking the whole big picture. A number of us on the ground with ATVs and handheld radios, maintaining a high level of safety. That's a number one priority. We want a safe operation.
So we've heard from Mike all about the Wings Over Wasilla Air Show. There's a lot happening here at the Menard Center and at the airport. I'm Rob Stapleton for your Alaska Aviation Link.